Bulk Design Tutorial: How to design several products at once on POPCUSTOMS. Log into your dashboard on POPCUSTOMS, you'll see a bulk mockup generator, click it to start. Use our filter tool to select the products you would like to design. It helps you save time to locate the products you want. If you filter and choose the template size, for example, I choose 2000px, 2999px, then the images you upload later should not be smaller than 2000px, 2999px, so that the print result is clear enough. We suggest you to select no more than 10 products at once to make sure the design maker works fast. All the products you have selected will be presented on the right side. Click the bulk design button to move forward if you are done selecting. Then you can select our public design or upload your own images to customize. We also suggest you to select no more than 10 images at once. Click the next button and wait for the design result patiently. Slide the mouse up and down to check the design result. There may be some errors of certain designs because of print file issue. Please click the redesign button to adjust the design properly. Our tiling feature will help you save a lot of time and energy in this part. Save the design after adjusting. You can check the design result again by click Sort by Product Category or Sort by Images. If you are not satisfied with some designs, you are able to click the Edit tool to redesign and save them as well. If you are satisfied with all designs finally, please click the Save Product button to save all designs successfully. All designs will be saved to your My Designs. You are able to sync them to your store there.